Hello my friends, welcome to another exciting video. If you're new to the channel, what we discuss here is Linux distros and how it can make your workflow less frustrating. For this, we are introducing AnduinOS, the Linux distro that's like Windows, but without the emotional damage.
Nice.
Let's ride. Why choose AnduinOS? If you're someone looking for alternatives or just want to explore another operating system, you might want to give this distro a try. I know you may have tried so many Linux distros that claim to replace Windows, but at the end of the day, you'll find that they don't even get close. Nevertheless, one more trial won't cause harm. AnduinOS Linux offers freedom, speed, and privacy, and the learning curve won't scare you off. What is AnduinOS? AnduinOS is the Linux distro that says, "Hey Windows user, I got you." It's based on Debian, but it's dressed up like Windows so you don't feel lost. Let me shock you. This distro originated in China.
Ha! Gay!
But don't worry, it's got an Ubuntu base with a GNOME desktop which has been themed and styled to resemble Windows 11. You don't need to understand Chinese to use this distro. This is because the project provides a smaller ISO file than its parent, with each supported language split into a separate ISO. Let's walk through the interface. I bet if Windows 11 had a baby, it would be this. Thank you, China. Let's see what apps you can find. This distro has Wine and Proton support, which lets you run Windows app. Although we're not going to dive into that now, that's a video for another day. All these and many more, all packed into a lightweight ISO so that your PC that's running on 30 years old cooking oil can still support it stress-free. Download and installation are very easy. Check the link in the description on how to get started. So, are you ready to break up with Windows? Give AnduinOS a shot and let me know in the comments if it saved your sanity. Smash that like button if you're done with forced updates and subscribe for more tech liberations. Until then, one love, peace out.